Hello, welcome to R&R Mom Plans. My name is Angelique and this is my channel on my planner style. In today's video, it's a plan with me in the home section for the week of October 18th through the 24th. In this layout, I'm going to be using the household stickers and Hooray Seasons. I actually need to go purchase another one of these. I think I'm completely out of the laundry stickers. Let's see, yeah. So I think I'm going to use, and I don't know if I should use these little hanging clips, but I think that's what I'm gonna do because I am all out of the laundry stickers and I need to go buy this book. See, I'm gone, I'm out. I do have some of these little laundry stickers, but I'm not gonna use those unless I really want to break myself down to do it. But either way it goes, we'll know when we get there. Okay, I use a vertical layout, and I flipped through this the other day, and I thought I should use it. It is the week of Riker's birthday. We're celebrating it on the 17th, so it's not going to be on this layout. I'm going to leave that for the kiddos layout and I haven't decided how I'm going to decorate his birthday layout for the kids section yet. I think I need to go to a couple more stores or look around. Anyways, so with this, I want to have this really pretty color on here. This foil color. I will probably use these stickers. This is fall bucket list, but that's okay. And we can label it. Clip up those circles. Alright, so there's that. We'll do and enjoy every moment because it's Riker's birthday right here. Let's bring it up. Let's go sideways. And we got some fall leaves. If I have an opportunity to turn a sticker sideways, I'm going to turn it sideways because these are always so lateral. I love the fall. Let's do this the best day. It's his birthday. So much fun. I'll put it on this day because this is the home planner. So it is all about what's going on at the house. And that's about it. But come on. I know there's going to be kids running around. It's a birthday week. Okay. So I'm going to put his birthday in this maroon color. And we'll do a cake. And I'm gonna add even celebrate. Like, it's just supposed to be a great day. We still have school though. Anyways, now I'm gonna bring in some of this pumpkin fall fun. I want to put it up here, but that one's down there. But then these are right here, so let's just label it in there. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. I wonder if that's gonna fit. Fits for me. It is starting to feel like sweater weather. Actually, what if I put those really big right there? So let me switch these around. Let's just do these really big here at the bottom. And then I can move this. Gotta hold the paper. Alright. I sneezed. Silently, but I sneezed. Pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. I want it like, I'll put it between the two, and I'll put it like that. True. Yeah, this spread like actually just got really busy, but that's fine. But I'm gonna save those. There really wasn't any boxes, huh? Nope. Yes, I am thinking about where I'm gonna find boxes. Because I'm a box person. I am going to go ahead and see about colorful boxes. I do not know if I'm going to use any of them because I will not use the gold, I will not use the silver. I do not want to use the black. I do not think this is going to be, nope. See, just needed to flip through it to know I had no option. I'm gonna pull Kellofaplan's Basic Rainbow. See, those are way too big. but I bet you she has the colors. So the maroon would work. No, not the blue. Not that. Nope. That almost would, just to make it its own color. That's too yellow. That's too orange. That's too red. So the maroon would work, but I can't see me using these boxes. So just to verify, the maroon will work. I think it will. So I will just use dots. Alright, so there's one there. There's one there. There is one there. Bathroom. Dishes. Laundry. Alright. I didn't put the deep clean. Guess I could. I just feel like they're going straight across. So I'm gonna have to move this one. Okay. Alright, so I ended up using that sticker book, and now we get to go through and just kind of sad about the whole not having a laundry, but I do laundry twice a week, so it was expected to go out faster than the rest of them. Hands down. But I love this sticker book, and I love it because it's black and white. What if I use this? Go ahead and do the trash. Celebrate trash. I'm not going to put it down there because I don't want to deep clean for the home. Alright, so what if I do a little bucket, a little clothespin. Alright, I'm still going to buy the sticker book. Like, that's just, and that's actually kind of cute. My own personal opinion. But I'm digging it. So we're going to water the plants. Autumn bucket list is going to be groceries. And it'll be everything I'm preparing for Thanksgiving. I will be preparing to purchase all of my Thanksgiving dinner items in that bucket list. In case you guys were wondering. And then this is just the rest of the sticker book that I don't use. Alright. So, there we have it. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. When I go through these sticker books and I am looking for another layout or I do a flip through, I'm like, okay, so you're going to be used for this section. You're going to be used for this section. You're going to be used for this section. And that's usually how I come up with my layouts. All right. There we go. I think that that's going to be functional. I think that's going to work for me. I like how it turned out. And I'm proud of it. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this spread brings you inspiration to your planner style. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to stay in the loop. You can even ring the bell and get notifications. I always love if you guys leave me a comment or have anything to say, suggestions, things like that. But until next time.